So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DigiWebEngineers. So today's lecture is how to skip the billing of Google Ads when you are creating a new Google ad. So how you have today tutorial we will be doing practical. So this is a Gmail ID which I have created by this name. So today I'll explain you in a brief that how we can skip the Google billing part. So now I'm getting a credit of 60,000 rupees also. So this is a new offer which I am getting on my Gmail ID. So I will get this credit also. If I'll invest 60,000, then I will credit this 60,000 from Google Ads, right? So today first part is I want to skip the billing part, right? So I have entered in a campaign. So create your first campaign. I will put my name here over here. So if you don't have any website, then you can pick up any website, you can put it over here and you can go for the approval, right? You have to click on next and wait until this dashboard open. So now you have to click next. Now you have to skip. Again same skip, leave campaign without creation. So you will be directly come to the account setting, confirm your account setting, and here you have to put the currency. You are getting 20,000 ad credit, and if you invest 20,000, okay, I'll get this also. So right now I have to create a payment profile, your organization. So I have to click on individual, right? So I have to give some address like Delhi. Pin code, I can pick any pin code. I'll Google it. So I pick this one, click on Delhi, and I'll create a profile, right? So here you have to add the payment method, right? So here you can add QR and add a manual payment, add a prepaid amount. You have to click some amount, like I have added 1,000 rupees. So do you have? Yes, I agree. No. Submit. I'll click on submit. You will get a QR code, right? So it will show you that you have to add QR code. So you can cancel here and wait until now you have to submit. So your account is ready to activate. Continue. So you have to click on this. So your account was created and you have to click on continue. So this is how you have to skip the billing part and you will be entered in your individual ad account, right? So you have, does your manager? Yes, you have to click on submit. So this dashboard comes, right? So when you are creating a fresh account, right? So you have to go with this process only, and step by step you can check my video and go with your computer dashboard and apply the same process which I am applying. Okay, so reload it, and here in the admin part you have to come to the policy and ads, right? So now many people come to me that they have to run their any sports ad or a gambling ad or casino ads, right? So I have break down the crack code. I used cloaking part. So most of the people come to me and tell me that how we can write how we can run ads. So this is the most difficult part. So I have created many courses on that, and if you want to run display ads, then you can visit to my website, that is digiwebengineer.org. and if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe button, click on subscribe button, comment, share, and if you have any queries, then you can visit to my video and you can submit any queries or visit to my website if you have any queries, and I will be helping you out, guys.